that sometimes um, the little power cords, everybody has a computer, right? So there's a power cord, a black power cord with three prongs that goes into the back of the computer, and then a three-pronged connection that goes into the power outlet. Those little cords literally only cost like a couple bucks. But if you don't have that cord, your computer will not turn on. I don't care how good the insides, the processor, how much memory and RAM, and how much hard drive space you have. That computer will not turn on if you do not have something to connect it to the source.